guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, let's see a guidance from Bhagavad Gita, and here's the message, and the message is success in yoga. Beautiful message. And here with this message I am seeing the balance of masculine and feminine energy over here. So this shlok is from chapter 2 verse 48. I will give the pic if this is not clear to you. Below is given the meaning of that shlok. So, if you see this explanation, Lord Krishna is saying this to Lord Arjun. Be steadfast in yoga, O Arjuna. Perform your duty without attachment. Yes, this is the fact of the life. Remaining equal to success and or failure. Such equanimity of mind is called yoga. So a beautiful message, and this is for a lot of them. This is what I would say. If you wish to bring that balance in your mind within yourself, you should embrace, you should start doing yoga. This has been said, and it also makes us detached from this materialistic desires, from attachments, or even if unhealthy attachments or so you have, it will really help you a lot. And beautiful message at the end this has been given, that one has to be very much neutral and very much equal, be it success, be it failure, because these are just part of life. Be it sadness or happiness, be it success or failure, be it whatever it is, one should be so neutral. And this has been said that this is only called as yoga because it makes you a lot balanced, a lot focused, a lot calm, and you somewhere become acceptant also. You accept life, you become acceptance that this life is full of ups and downs, happiness and all, opposite to each other and all. This is what has been said. Such a beautiful message, right? So do acknowledge it, guys. This is what I would say with this message. And if this pic is not clear to you, again I'll say that I'll give it. And guys, seriously, we all really need to acknowledge it, that we should be really neutral towards life, I would say. Because if we are succeeding doesn't mean that we should start comparing with others, or we should have that pride or that ego or so. And even if we are going through failures doesn't mean that always we will be failing, because things change, days change, everything changes, right? Thank you.